Most people overcomplicate manifestation. They think they need vision boards, rituals, and 22 steps, but it's not about doing more. It's about aligning with the field. You see, manifestation is the byproduct of coherence. When your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are in alignment, reality has no choice but to reflect that back. So here's the play by play. Get clear on the outcome, not from ego, but from resonance. Feel it emotionally as if it's already done, because the field doesn't respond to timeline, it responds to frequency. Act from the version of you who already has it, not trying to get it, but expressing it. That's the whole formula: clarity, emotion, embodiment. And if you're out of alignment, that's why it hasn't shown up. Manifestation is easy when you stop trying to force the 3D and start manifesting from the inside out. There's a deeper process to make this second nature. And once you understand it, you'll never chase outcomes again. Your inner world creates your outer reality. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.